Did the world wake up on the wrong side of bed? Sleepy-eyed with a red hot pounding head. I'm surprised that we still managed to circle the sun. We should all be dead and buried with the damage we've done. 10 p.m. rolls around, it's the same old tale. A shooting here and the following political trail. I grab a beer and I sit down on the floor. Change it over to the comedy on Channel 4. I only watch it for the weather, then at least there's hope for some. Don't tell me this goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone. All these guys in suits seem to make all this pain. What good's a rainbow without any rain? It's always crying an impression of somebody else. Change the channel before you lose your sense of self. My little sister doesn't look at the papers they read. All doom and gloom, never what we've achieved. And I don't blame her, but every night at 10:25 switch it over and hope the weatherman's alive. I only watch it for the weather, then at least there's hope for some. Don't tell me this goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone. I only watch it for the weather, then at least there's hope for some. Don't tell me this goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone. And sometimes it turns out to be a cloudy day. I know that come summertime there won't be a drop of rain. You see these problems, they are seasonal. I've given up and I don't watch at all. I only watch it for the weather, then at least there's hope for some. Don't tell me this goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone. I only watch it for the weather, then at least there's hope for some. Don't tell me this goes on forever. The weather ain't for everyone.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to puff on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to puff on the left side, put it up in your mind? You run, drive, roll your mind. 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 Seeing all the watering familiar eyes, doing things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they